Hi, this is Dan, and I'm with Oculum. I'd like to introduce you to Wellbeing Telehealth, the easiest and most simplistic telehealth solution in the marketplace. The reason why this is the easiest and most simplistic telehealth solution is because it is 100% browser-based. You as a doctor or a healthcare professional and your patients do not need to download any software, any additional downloads, clients, or even applications to use the service. It is 100% browser-based. After you've registered for your service, you'll want to bookmark this page. This is your login screen. Once you log in, this gets you into the dashboard along with the other features that are available for you with your patients. Inviting a patient to a session is very simple. You have two choices. You can send it to them via email and or SMS. In this particular case, I have somebody helping me today. Her name's Paula. And I just sent her a text invitation, and it said it was successfully sent. Once she receives that, she will have the easiest way to actually enter into the waiting room available to her. It's actually done via a link that's embedded in the text message or in an email message. Once that is actually sent, all she does is simply enter her name, and she is put into the waiting room. As you can see, Paula is now in the waiting room. Some of the other features that are available for you as a doctor or healthcare professional is you can actually chat with her while you're in the middle of another telehealth session. Say, for example, I'm running a little late. I just sent that to her just to let her know that you're busy, you're tied up, and that you will get with her as quickly as possible. So there she actually just replied and said, okay, thanks. To initiate a session, a video session with her, you come over here and you press start a call. Hi, Paula.
Hi, Dan.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Good, thank you. So Paula, I am going to go through a few features. I know you're representing a patient, and I want to give an opportunity to see all of these different features. So if you can comment along the way, that'd be great. The first one is the conference. Obviously, we're doing a video session. We have the capability of adding additional folks. So if you were a patient and wanted to have your husband or other family members, they would have been in the waiting room as well. You as the doctor simply click on conference, click on their names, and then you would have multi-screen showing up on your screen. In addition to that, we have a screen share feature. So what I'm doing is going to share my entire screen with you, and I'm going to pull up an x-ray. Can you see the x-ray?
I can.
Good. So this is some lucky person who's had a complete knee replacement. What's great, it could be an x-ray, it can be any other file that you have in your computer that you share with your patient. In addition to that, we have a screen share request, so that if you want to show us something, I can click on that and you can actually show us something from your computer, or a picture that you've taken of a compound fracture or something along those lines. In addition to that, I also have the capability of doing file share. I'm going to stop sharing screen right now. There we go. And I could have sent that same x-ray to you over a file share feature. So Paula, thanks for your help. I'm going to end this session right now so that I can show others the other features that are available. Thanks for your time.
Bye.
As you can see, Paula is no longer in the waiting room. In addition to high quality video service, ease of use, you as a healthcare professional will also get documentation. In this particular case, I want to show you the call logs associated with this. This is an exportable file, so if you need to do this either for billing purposes or for actual verification that the service took place, in this particular case, As you can see, I've made a few phone calls to Paula and others. But it's time and date stamps. So today it's February the 4th. You can see that was for 2 minutes and 11 seconds. What the person actually typed in for their name, and more importantly, the user. So this was done via text message. Had it been sent via email invite, the email address would have been inside here. So these are just some of the pertinent features. I encourage you to trial the service. That's the best way to actually see the video quality and the ease of use. But more importantly, I thank you for taking a few minutes to learn a little bit more about Wellbeing Telehealth. Thank you.